Whether you're an experienced traveler or this is your first time traveling, there's one thing that most of us can't live without, and that is our phones. This simple piece of technology provides us with so much information just with the click of a button. From navigating new cities, to even booking restaurants, checking reviews, and looking at photos of the restaurant, to booking flights and accommodation, it all can be done with your phone. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you 10 must-have travel apps that you need to download on your phone right away to have the smoothest travel experience. Hi, my name is Divya from Miss Loves Travel. I've been traveling the world for a number of years and I've been to almost 60 countries so far. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the travel apps that I found very helpful along the way. Also stay tuned to the end because I'm going to be sharing a bonus travel app which is going to help you save lots of money when you book your next trip. If you know any app that I haven't mentioned, then leave it in the comments below so that we all can get some benefits from those. Firstly, let's talk about navigation because getting lost in a new city is never fun. Google Maps is an absolute no-brainer for anyone when you're traveling. This app provides you with directions whether you're walking, cycling, taking public transport, driving, taking an Uber, no matter what your mode of transportation is, this app provides you with detailed step-by-step directions. So it will literally tell you you need to walk and then you need to take the bus and then you need to walk some more, and it will give you an estimated time of arrival as well. Another thing that I really like about Google Maps is that it allows you to download the maps so you can refer to them if you don't have internet access. So you can simply select an area and then download, and you can access everything in the map when you reach your destination and you don't have internet access. Another great feature of this app is that it has an explore feature where you can simply zoom into the area where you are and you can look at restaurants, attractions, coffee shops. You can search any kind of thing that you're looking for and it will show you what is around your area. This is something that I found really helpful. And then if you click those places, you can also check Google reviews, photos, the menu of the place. You can even book those places online through the links provided. If you're traveling to a country where you don't speak the language, Google Translate is going to be your best friend. It can help you asking for directions, ordering food, and just generally having conversations with people who don't speak the same language as you. One cool feature about the Google Translate is that it has the camera functionality where you point your phone with the camera turned on towards any text in any language, and it can help translate that into a language that you do understand. It also has a conversation mode where when turned on, you can have a conversation with someone in a foreign language, and Google Translate will be translating the conversation into each of your languages simultaneously in real time. And lastly, Google Translate can also be downloaded so you can access this when you go and do not have internet connection. Now that you can get around and communicate, let's move to transport. Uber is usually the most popular ride-sharing app and is available in most countries. But you should do your research ahead of time to check that it is available in the country that you're planning to visit, because some places just don't use Uber and they have other popular apps. For example, in Southeast Asia, they have an app called Grab, which is pretty much the same as Uber and it offers the same services. So it has the drivers, Uber Eats, and also package deliveries. If you come to North America, there are apps like Lyft, which are a competitor of Uber and sometimes can also provide you with a cheaper rate for your travel and transport. One great benefit of using these ride-sharing apps is that you can check the fares in advance, and sometimes if you have two apps accessible, you can always use it to compare to see if you're getting any promotions or discounts or better fares on another app. You may choose to select that app. You can also share your ride status with a family member or a friend, so that way at least someone knows which car you're getting into with which driver and there's someone tracking your Uber ride. But usually all of these ride-sharing apps are very safe and very convenient to use. Next up, let's talk about planning your trip. So booking flights and accommodation is where these next couple of apps are going to come in handy. I personally love using Skyscanner to look for the best airfare prices that are out there when I'm planning to travel. So with Skyscanner, what they do is they look at all of the airline websites and they also look at travel agencies and provide you with a comprehensive list of all of the flight options that are out there. You can also set price alerts so Skyscanner can notify you if any of the fares drop during the time that you're planning to travel. Another cool feature about Skyscanner is that if you're not sure about the destination that you're planning to visit, you can set the destination as everywhere and select the dates that you have off, and Skyscanner can provide you with some options of places that you can go with cheap airfare during those dates. Also, another cool feature is if your travel dates are flexible, you can select your to and from destinations and then select the month that you want to travel. So if you want to go somewhere in December, just select the month as December, and then Skyscanner will provide you with the best options to travel and the best dates for you to travel in December. Whether you're looking for hotels, apartments, or unique stays, these next couple of apps are going to be very handy. I use Booking.com for more traditional accommodation like hotels and even hotel apartments. One great thing about Booking.com is the number of options they give you when you're booking a room. You can have non-refundable, free cancellation, with breakfast, without breakfast, various different types of rooms, and there's just so much flexibility when booking with Booking.com. Also, if you regularly book with them, you sometimes can get a genius discount and you end up getting a good fare for your hotel stay. If you're looking for something a little more personal, you can look at booking something through Airbnb where you're renting out someone else's accommodation. So this can be a villa, an apartment, or sometimes even a room in someone's apartment. Also, don't forget to download the app of the airline that you're planning to travel with. This is really very handy to have on your phone because you can use it to check in, to choose your seats, and also access your boarding pass. Having your airline app on your phone also allows the app to send you push notifications with any changes to your flight. So gate changes, flight delays, or anything of that sort can be notified through the app itself. So it's definitely very handy for you to have your airline app on your phone. Now let's move on to managing our finances on the go and staying connected, which is crucial when you're away from home. Now, how many times have you been on the street in a foreign country and you found this beautiful item that you want to purchase, but you just don't know how much it actually costs in your home currency? So that's where XE comes in. XE is a real-time currency conversion app that really makes your life so much simpler, because all you need to do is just enter the value of the item that you're planning to buy and it will let you know how much it is in your home currency. Also, a great thing with XE is that it stores this information on the app. So even if you don't have internet connection, you would get the latest exchange rate available on the app. If you're traveling with family and friends or even a big group, Splitwise is an app that you can download to help manage your finances. When you go and travel abroad, usually everyone's spending on their cards, and then at the end, someone has to sit with an Excel sheet and try to match everything to figure out who owes how much. Splitwise is the app that makes it all simple. All you need to do is just add in the amount that the person spent, and then there's even an option of adding like how it's split between the group. Is it split equally? Is it split partially? Or how it's split? So you can decide that and add it into the app directly. You can also add in a copy of the receipt, and you can also add in some notes as well. At the end, just click the Settle Up button and it will clearly state that this person owes this person X amount. Staying connected abroad is key. That's why I've downloaded the app called Aerolo. With Aerolo, you can download an eSIM card and get yourself ready with a SIM card even before you reach your travel destination. This completely eliminates the hassle of landing in a new country, navigating language barriers, and dealing with physical SIM cards when you get there. Working with Aerolo is super simple. They have over 200 data plans available, so all you need to do is click on the Aerolo app, select the plan that you like, and you're ready to go. They also have different lengths of their data plan, so they have short-term or long-term, so you can select a plan that works best for you. Now, if you love hiking and exploring nature, then this next app is for you. For all the hiking lovers out there, you need to download AllTrails. AllTrails is an app that has 400,000 trails listed on it, each of them providing you with information such as photos, reviews of other people who visited there, and also whether the trail is challenging or easy. You can also filter the trails based on something that you're looking for. So whether that's dog friendly, kid friendly, or even trails with a great view. Lastly, as some of the other apps, you can download the app for use when you're offline. And now, here's the bonus app that is going to help you save some money when you book your next vacation. Let me introduce you to Travel Advantage. So Travel Advantage is a membership-based platform which is a one-stop shop for all of your travel needs. So you can look at things like flights, hotel, car rentals, cruises, and even eSIM cards and book them all through this platform. The Travel Advantage platform has a 150% best price guarantee, and sometimes you can get better rates on this platform even compared to some of the other apps that I told you about. Another great thing about Travel Advantage is that they have no blackout dates, so you can travel whenever you want. Lastly, and one of the best features about Travel Advantage is that they give you travel credits. So every time you book from them, you earn some travel credits that you can put towards your next trip and save some money on your next trip as well. They have different membership levels that suit different budgets and different travel styles. So you can check out the website that I'm going to link below for more information about the membership levels and about the platform. If you're interested to learn more, send us an email or leave me a comment and I'll be sure to get in touch with you. So there you have it. These are the top travel apps that I recommend you download right away. I hope that these apps help make your next travel experience super smooth and stress-free. If you're planning a trip solo, especially as a woman, I recommend you watch this video of mine, which is loaded with tips to help you feel more confident as you navigate solo travel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for lots of travel-related content and lots more travel tips and recommendations. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.